Hello and welcome everyone to the channel. MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a common issue that you're going to face on your Mercedes-Benz vehicles, and that is the AC vent flaps end up breaking. The vehicle that I'm currently working on is a Mercedes CL550 2008, and I'm going to be replacing the center vents. And to do that, just follow along with me and I'll share with you guys on how to do this step by step. At the moment, these old vents, the flaps are broken so they don't stay in place. This vent moves up and down, but it doesn't move the vents inside. And the one right here is completely destroyed. It doesn't move anything. And instead of trying to repair this, I'm going to replace it with another unit. And this one completely works and it's in great shape. So to remove our old unit, make sure the car is powered off. And you're going to start off by removing your cup holder. There are two screws, which I've already loosened. And once that's out of the way, this is going to lift right out. Next, we're going to remove the ashtray. And make sure to remove the 12 volt connector. It connects to the cigarette lighter right underneath. This is one whole piece that's going to come right out. And for this, you have to be very careful. Make sure this is closed. And you're going to put one hand here and one right here, and you're going to pull it straight out. We're going to grab it just like this. And just pull like that. And now the top portion is free, but on the bottom is still another clip. And the clip that's down there, you're going to pull it down. And I'll show you guys in a moment. But if you did it correct, this piece should be able to come right out, but there are still a couple connections behind it. And here's the clip I was talking about. This clips onto the bracket right down here, and to remove it, you just pull it down just like that and it frees the lock. And now I'm going to remove these connectors. Now my panel is free. So now that I have it taken apart, I'm going to do this work inside. Here's the old vent again. And here's the replacement part. It completely works and stays in place. And this one that I bought didn't come with the clock, so I'm going to end up using my original clock onto this. There are torque screws all the way around. So I really hope this video helped you guys out on fixing your broken AC vent flaps. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you guys want to see more videos just like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, MrCarMAN. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.